young brigade stepping in to take control. Argentina's legend shining bright, Brazil's samba beat, England's warriors